Today we got a video from BLN Safety, and the title of the video is "When Fleeing Police Doesn't End Well."
You gotta open the door and talk to us.
We gotta check on you. Is everything all right?
What happened?
Possible signal on. She's not opening the door. There's wine bottles open.
Oh, well, I mean, we have a violation there by itself.
Yeah. Just illegally parked in front of the PD.
Ma'am, what's going on? I can't hear you.
Well,
Ma'am, just open the door for us. Right now we gotta talk to you, okay? Other button.
okay, well, she can't just park here. Right? I mean,
No, you're right. It is a violation.
and she has to identify herself.
Yeah.
If she doesn't want to identify herself, right, then she's resisting.
Rental car, yeah.
Can you open the door?
Please? We can't hear anything you're saying. You gotta open the door to talk to us.
Should I put spike strips under there in case she tries to flee?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3717, copy 1050.
3717.
So if you open the door and talk to us.
At least she can't drive away.
Good, unreadable tag. It's going to be a Ford F-150 white in color. I'm going to be in US 41 at Eagle Point Drive.
In the front of the car? Now she'll go back up though.
Ah, that's true.
And it's, I think it's a rear-wheel drive car.
Maybe segment. Double.
Double. No.
Victor 61, units of BP 1074.
10-4-10-6. You can open the door?
1026, show me out with 310.
Yeah, you have to open the door at this point. You can't just ignore us and pretend that we're not here. You have to open the door. You're parked crazy at the police department. And we can't hear anything. We gotta figure out what's going on. We can't hear you. That's some good insulation in this vehicle. If you don't cooperate, we're gonna have to break the window. So, do you want?
Who goes to the police station?
Or, you know,
Who goes to the police station to cause a ruckus? Like, who? You gotta be some sort of crazy for that.
I'll get her. You want me to chase her?
And took off. They gonna get her together, boy.
If we can get another unit closer to the bypass and East Venice for another stop sign appointment. 254 dispatch, this signal 14 also. She's tracking the stop 6 under her car.
Get out of the car!
Out of the car!
Get out.
Out of the car! Out of the car!
I am not, you're not, get out of
Get
the
out.
car! You don't have an option anymore.
Get out of the car!
Out of the car! Out of the car!
Out of the car!
Help me, we're not, you're not police.
Got her. Two Victor 4 dispatch. I have one. Get some 1015. You want to search her in the front of my car?
come right over here.
got some gloves?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hold it? Let go of the bag.
10-4, unit 10-3, 2, 10-3, 2.
Go of your bag. You don't have an option anymore. Let go of the bag. Do you have anything on you? Yeah, you did that to yourself.
Is the car off? Looks like it, right? You got it.
Get in the car.
Hurting my arm.
You need to get in the car.
You want me to
I
throw it
can't
in?
get on because I don't have arms.
Ready? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You are fantastic. The real police wouldn't do that.
Well, if you would have talked to us at the police department, we wouldn't be in this situation.
I didn't double lock them. But she got it. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Damn. Ma'am. You listening to me? Make sure. Can you hear me? You're good? All right, I'm just going to speak then, all right? And you choose to answer me if you wish.
10-22.
All right.
The real police are on the
I have reason to believe that you are under the influence of alcohol and or drugs.
I am neither.
To dispel my belief of this, I'm going to ask you if you would like to perform field sobriety exercises, okay? Do you want to conduct field sobriety exercises?
I am not drinking and I am not under the influence of anything. I've never taken drugs in my life.
Would you like to conduct field sobriety exercises?
The real police are on their way.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to ask you one more time, and if you don't answer the question, I'm just going to take it as a refusal. Do you wish to perform field sobriety exercises
I will.
to confirm you want to?
Yeah, because I'm not under the influence of anything. And the real police are on the way.
Maybe we should have her checked out by EMS first. Yeah, for sure.
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm not drinking.
Really?
Really. I had a little bit with dinner like at 5 o'clock in the evening. I am totally... You broke the tires in my car.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm not guilty. I didn't do anything.
Well,
I've not been drinking. I'm totally sober, and you are not real police, and you're in big trouble because they're on their way.
Okay. All right, you're going to follow the stimulus with your eyes and your eyes only.
And you're treating me like a criminal. And the real police are on the way.
All right, Julie, once again, you're going back on here. You were under arrest for DUI, okay, as well as fleeing to elude, resisting, as well as a plethora of other civil traffic infractions, okay?
Stop breathing on us.
I have no
Reckless driving.
You can open the container right there in your car.
Yes, I live in the car.
Okay.
Everything that I
You can't have
have.
no
Great.
container in your car.
It's this way.
That was not.
All right, feet in, seatbelts going on. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hold on. Hold on. Damn, do you see that tire? Hold on. God damn. Yeah, but they did put it in the wrong spot. It should have went in front of the back wheels, so in between. That shit crazy.
All right, feet in, seatbelts going on. Thank you for your cooperation.
Oh, I thought they was gonna give the crime, but I mean they already said it. Yeah, man, these people, wow. Who goes to the police station to cause a ruckus? The cops didn't even have to go look for you. You came bringing it to them. Typically, the cops go looking for you, or you drive past, whatever. You went to the police station looking for trouble. The things people do when they under the influence, boy, it don't make no sense to me. None whatsoever. And she too old to be acting like that. That's bad. Anyway. Oops. Anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. I mean, I you know what? No, I'm gonna just say they did a good job, because I was gonna say like they should have made a better effort to get her out of the car at the police station, but it's like, it is what it is. At that point, you don't really know what's going on. You know, you don't know enough yet. But you know, chase her down and get her together. It's all good. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna get a cops 4 out of 5. I think they did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.